Hi, I'm Kenny Moore. I'm the exterior design manager for the F-Series, including the all-new F-150 Lightning. F-150 Lightning combines the best of F-150 design with the cutting-edge technology. The innovative design comes from the customers themselves, telling us how far they want to push the envelope. It has many of the familiar features: a roomy interior, standard size rear bed, primed for hundreds of ready-to-go accessories, great visibility, and plenty of legroom for 5 passengers. The F-150 Lightning retains the capability people expect from a Ford. The fact that we designed this thing a little bit different, it shares the cab with the current F-150. The accessories are still things that the customer can use from their current F-150, that they feel like they've got a modern vehicle with the new technology, but they can still use the stuff that they currently have. It brings new high-tech features and striking available signature front and rear light bars. The lighting bar on the higher series, which would be Lariat and Platinum, goes all the way across the rear on the tailgate. The side profile and front grille is purpose-built on a full high-strength steel frame. So the front end's going to have this very bold, and I'll call it just the face of the F-150 coming down the road for the future right now. That's what we're setting the stage for. Tailgate ingenuity has allowed additional 360 zone lighting to further improving the customer's experience. Choreographed lighting greets you as you approach the vehicle, and once inside welcomes you with an animated screen. And when you're done for the day, your F-150 Lightning says goodbye when you park it for the night. So how do we learn what our F-150 customers need? For several years, D-Ford human-centered design team members immersed themselves in the lives of F-Series truck owners. We study the way the customers use the product on a day-to-day basis, not only at work, but also at home. And then we translate it into innovative design improvements, such as available max recline front seats for those who spend long days on the road. The driver can recline the seats nearly 180 degrees so that they can take a nap to recharge while the truck is doing the same. They wanted an area that they could actually write, because some people were writing on their laps. Some people were writing on their steering wheels. So we created this console that would flip over and become a workspace. And in order to do that, we created the gear shifter, right, that goes down, folds all the way flat. F-150 Lightning color and materials are authentic, durable, premium, contemporary, inside and out, striking balance between customer needs, wants, and aspirations. New finishes support the faceted appearance on areas such as the front grille and charge port badging. We have premium materials for the interior, recognizable to high-end F-150 customers, such as real authentic wood on storage bin and door appliques on Platinum, medium dark slate perforated leather on Lariat, denim printed effect on Lariat interior trim, metallic effect applique details XLT and Lariat. But also, new contemporary materials differentiate F-150 Lightning from F-150 like light space gray interior elements introduced on premium leather seats, real brushed aluminum on the glove box, black tinted chrome finish details on the Platinum inside and out, exterior black high gloss framing, the belt line moldings, tow hooks, wheel pockets, and key areas around the running boards. Bronze copper finish on IP around the screen, pecan colored threads on seats, center console, steering wheel, shifter for the Lariat. So here's Nancy, and she's going to tell you about all of the cool features of the Mega Power Frunk.
Hi, I'm Nancy Reppenhagen. I'm the feature owner for the F-150 Lightning Mega Power Frunk. A frunk is a front trunk, a trunk up front. Because the F-150 Lightning electric motors are efficient and compact, there's a new opportunity to use the space where a traditional engine used to be. We use that space to create the largest front trunk in the industry, with 400 liters of volume and 400 pounds of payload. And you can stow all sorts of gear. You can fit 1 checked bag plus 2 carry-ons. You could fit 2 full-size sets of golf clubs. Essentially, we're giving you your cabin back. Dry space allows the customer to store items like clothing, groceries, and electronics safely. But if you want to use the space for muddy gear, we've got you covered with a drain hole too, meaning you can wash it out. We designed the frunk to be able to accommodate all sorts of storage capability. We've got D-rings on the floor, there's cargo hooks on the side, there's a non-skid removable floor mat, there's a underfloor bin so you can stick small items in to keep them from rolling around. The bin lid is multi-positional, so that allows you a lot of versatility in your storage space. You could remove the lid and store deep items or tall items in the frunk. It's so easy to access. It's going to do all the work for you. You just have to push a button on your key fob, or you could use your mobile phone with the FordPass app. If you're sitting inside the cabin and you don't want to get out of the car, there's an interior switch on the dash, or you could use the available Sync 4A. If you left your keys and phone in the house, there's an available keypad. For the first time, we're going to have dry, lockable, secure storage that's outside of the cabin. So now we don't have to compete with passengers and with the stuff you want to store for that same space. It comes equipped with 4 electrical outlets and 2 USB chargers, so it can easily be used as a portable workstation that also powers worksite tools. With 2.4 kilowatts of power to use as you please, there's enough capability to also plug in TVs, laptops, speakers, crockpots, smartphones, and more. You could tailgate up front. The Mega Power Frunk in a camping situation is going to be a game changer. You're going to be able to power everything that you want right there at your campsite. We designed the hood opening so that the Mega Power Frunk is available at a low level. You won't have to lift gear up and over a fender to get it into the frunk, which is going to be really important to someone my size. I'm not going to be able to lift a suitcase up and over a fender to put it in there. Ultimately, you decide what to do with the extra space. It's going to let you rethink what your truck is capable of and enable the kinds of experiences you never would have thought possible before.